Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to move a file from one destination to another. So, this is the difference between the file and the folder. A computer file, it is computer resources that stores data in your computer. And a folder, it is used for holding those files, for organizing your files. So to learn the more difference about the file and the folder, you can come back here later. So these are the steps we are going to follow in this video. So now let's go to the implementation. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So if I want to move this file into this folder, what I have to do is click on this file and drag it and drop it on this folder. Now it is saying copy of TextUp for you has been moved from my drive to cloud. If I want to undo this change, to reverse this change, I can click on undo. Or you can use the shortcut, that is the Ctrl Z. But if I want to, let's say, move it to another file folder, I can use like this. Just simply drag and drop. Now if I want to move this folder inside another folder, what I can do is simply drag this folder and drop it over another folder. So it is saying it has been moved. So if I open this folder, I can see that there is the TextUp for your documents, and it also has the file. So this is how you can move file and folder from one destination to another. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to move a file or folder from one destination to another. Thank you for watching.